Hi friends, welcome to my channel Simple Learning Tips. So in today's video, let's move to some basics of human resource management. I previously uploaded a lot of videos related to it. So if you are interested, I'll leave the link in the description box. So today's topic is HR 101. What is human resource management and why it is important? Why do we have to study human resource management? Okay, sorry, I've given a basic definition here from Edwin Flippo. So basically, if I explain in simple words, it just means that human resource management is the process of managing people in an organization. Okay, so the name itself suggests, right, human resource management. You are managing people in an organization so that they are contributing effectively to achieve the business goals. And what does it focus on? It focuses on hiring the right people, training and developing them, and paying them equal wages, and maintaining good relations among employees, ensuring productivity and satisfaction. Now, why employees are called human resources? Because if you take the balance sheet or if you take the overall organization, employees are valuable assets, right? They are not machines. They bring, skills, ideas, creativity, and innovation. So machines, they cannot improve by themselves. Even though AI, they claim that they are capable of doing some improving the productivity, improving the ideas and everything. But humans, we have our own fifth sense, a sixth sense. I'm sorry. So humans, they can learn and grow by themselves, right? Now, next is, what are the objectives of human resource management? So according to Memoria, human resource management has four main objectives. First is your organizational objectives. Now this helps the organization to achieve its goals efficiently. For example, in an IT company, you are hiring skilled software engineers. Now what does this help? This helps companies to complete their projects successfully, on time and efficiently. Now next is functional objectives. This is to ensure that HR departments, they are functioning efficiently. Like HR, for example, HR, they ensures proper recruitment is done, training is given to the employees, and proper performance appraisal is being conducted in the organization. Next one, personal objectives. Now this HR also, it does not only focus on organizational objectives, but it also helps an employee to achieve their personal goals. Like, if an employee is interested in climbing up the corporate ladder, they HR, they help in providing promotions, guidance, career guidance, promotions, and conducting promotions in a efficient manner, fair manner, salary growth, and career development. Okay. Next one is social objectives. Now this is to meet social and legal responsibilities. Like for example, you have your Equal Pay, Equal Remuneration Act. I've explained it in my previous video. You can check that out. Maternity benefits, again I've explained in my previous video. You please check that out. And also to ensure that they are employees are being provided with a safe working conditions. Now moving on to next. See, I'm going a little bit fast because this video I just want as a revision for HRM. Okay, when you are studying for exam, you can just go through this video and you will remember everything whatever you have learned. Now, what are the main functions of HRM? HRM functions are mainly divided into two categories. First one is managerial functions. Now, according to George Terry and Flippo, first one is planning. That is, it forecasts your future HR needs. For example, if a company wants to hire 1,000 employees in the next year, okay, so planning will help for that. Organizing, that is, you assign duties and responsibilities to the employees. For example, like creating HR roles like recruiter, payroll executive. So all this is being done in organizing. Directing, guiding, and motivating employees. Like for example, HR, they are motivating employees not only through incentives, but any kind of extra non-monetary benefits as well. Controlling, and controlling means, here it means it monitors the performance of the employees, right? Like tracking the attendance, tracking the performance of the employees. Now next is your operative function. Now what are operative function? These are the core HR activities. Like first comes your recruitment and selection. Finding and hiring the right people is very important for any organization. So maybe, for example, you would go for, company would go for campus placement, so that hiring, MBA graduates, BBA graduates like that. Training and development, it improves employee skills. So training a receptionist in customer service. Okay, so that is a part of training and development. Next one, compensation management, providing salary, benefits, free bonuses, everything will come under compensation management. For example, your monthly salary, incentives, insurance. Now next is performance appraisal, that is, it evaluates your performance, employee performance. For example, annual performance reviews are being conducted, or quarterly performance reviews will be conducted. Then employee relations, managing good relation between employer and employees. That is like, for example, solving any kind of employee complaints. Then health and safety, so it ensures a safe workplace is being provided to the employees. So for example, in factories, safety equipments are given, proper uniforms, helmets, everything is given to the workers. Now let's move on to the next part, why HRM is important. Because it is important for both organization and employees. So let's first talk about, from an organization perspective, how it is important. So it helps achieving organization goals. Like for example, Google, they hire talented engineers, and it gives importance to innovation. So this, by this way, it is, it is satisfying, or it is fulfilling the organization objectives. It improves productivity. So they give training to the employees so that they can perform better. Okay, for example, you can take comparison, like before training, how was the sales performance, and after training, how was the sales performance. Now it reduces employee turnover. So if an employee is satisfied with the company, the attrition rate will be very low. They will stay in the company rather than quitting and moving on to another company. So companies like TCS and all, they have a proper retention programs. Okay, now maintains discipline and order. Now apart from this, HR, they also ensure that rules and policies are being followed by the employees. That is also one of the core objective, or why HR is very important. Now from employees perspective, why HR is important, because it provides job satisfaction, that is providing fair wage, fair salary, irrespective of gender. And also it ensures that a proper good work environment, a good organization climate is being maintained. Then next is provides career growth. So HR, they should ensure that promotions are again fair and transparent, and also kind of skill development. Okay, if any employee wants to improve their skills, HR should provide a path for that. Then ensures employee welfare, like your maternity benefits, your medical benefits, all is being properly implemented. Now from a society perspective, if we say that why HR is important, because it provides employment for the community, and it improves the living standards of any individual. Also it ensures that all the legal compliance are being followed. Now apart from this, some additional tips that I want to give is that, what are the modern role of HRM, that is now in 2026, why HRM is relevant. So we could say that HR is not just an administrative function. Okay, so modern HR roles, it includes your strategic partner, talent manager, your employee experience manager, HR analytics expert. Okay, like using Workday software to manage employees data, and all the other records of employees. So in real life example, you could say that companies like Wipro IT, Wipro Infosys, they perform, HR performs roles like hiring software engineers, training the employees, paying their salary, evaluating performance, maintaining employee satisfaction. So we could basically say that without HR, organization cannot function properly. Now, also, I just want to add one more thing, like what is the difference between traditional HR and modern HR? So, traditional HR, it was actually personal administrative role. But now modern HR is more focusing on strategic role. Now, previously HR was just a paper-based role, but now it is technology-based. And traditional HR used to focus only on hiring, But here, modern HR, they focus on talent management, not only hiring, but also grooming an employee so that he can take over the senior position or even the company's goals. Then previously HR was just reactive. Now the HR is also proactive. Okay. So I hope you understood the basic HRM. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos like this. If you want me to discuss any other topic, please mention